Hey everyone, welcome back to Dezola Designs, you guys. Today I have a fabulous giveaway. I actually forgot I had this yarn. This is, oh, it's upside down, Lion brand Ferris wheel yarn. The light in here is fading, sorry about that. The colors are absolutely gorgeous. I'm giving this one away because I don't think this is my color, but I mean, after looking at it, it's absolutely fantastic. You guys get 5 skeins of Morning Java. Gorgeous. I'll talk about that in detail. First, I want to talk about my Valentine's Day sweater. I did have a live earlier today, you guys. I was working on the sweater and making it a larger square. So this is what it looks like all together, and it's so cute. I'm so excited. I am doing a tutorial on this, so don't fret, but it is coming out. I love it. I absolutely love it. I joined the granny squares here with a simple join, and then I am just making the square around it, and I think it's super beautiful. So this is going to be a 2-in-1 sweater. This is going to be one panel right here, and this is going to be another panel. So if you do make this, you can wear this side on one day and this side on the other day. It's super, super gorgeous, and I'm so excited. The tutorial will be out soon. I have to finish making this panel of the sweater, and then I will join them, and then we need to make the sleeves, and then I think it's going to have a banded bottom. I'm not sure the correct terminology for that is, or what in clothing, what actually that's called, but you know, it's going to have a finished bottom instead of unfinished bottom. You guys know what I mean. Anyway, this is tutorial will be out. When it's out, I'm not putting out any dates. It will be out before Valentine's Day though. How's that? And I'm so excited with this. This is so, so beautiful. This came out really, really well. So I'm really, really excited. If you guys missed the live, you can check it out. I am going to do a lot more lives. I'm not going to announce them like I used to, just because I'm still getting migraines and I don't want to announce something and then not be able to do it, because I feel like that's letting you guys down. So just be on the lookout for my lives. I want to talk to you guys about my new stones for my bracelets. This was actually part of the box that I received. I actually ordered this back in October. The box was delivered to a wrong address. Whoever received the box actually took it back. They brought it to my mail service place. And it's, I mean, I you know, there are good people in this, on this world. So I really, really thank the person, because I just thought, I wrote it off as like, I would never see that again. But here they are. Here's some of the beads. This is, I like this. This is the Prenite. Really gorgeous. This is actually blue tiger's eye. This is real tiger's eye. My sunlight is fading. I'm really sad because it looks super beautiful. And this is amethyst. They're like little pebbles. They're so gorgeous. And then this is carnelian. This is so stunning. I love this. It's so, so gorgeous. So I'm going to make bracelets with these, and I will have them up in my shop this weekend. I will also be putting the Dream Amethyst and the, what is this one? Dream Tiger's Eye, I think. And then this is the 6mm Prenite. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. But if you guys would like to check out my inventory, my link will be up here somewhere. On what side, I don't know. I don't know why. Sometimes I do this side and it's on that side. Sometimes I do this side and it's on that side. Anyway, this is how I receive the beads, if anyone is wondering, on these 15-inch strands. So there you go. I just thought I would talk a little bit about my beads. Okay, let's get to this giveaway. This yarn, I'm like, why am I giving this away? This yarn is so gorgeous. So this is Lion Brand Yarns Ferris wheel. Each skein is 270 yards. You get 5 of them. 5. It's 100% acrylic. It's a 4-weight, 5mm hook, and this color is called Morning Java. The colors are absolutely ridiculous. It's super, super stunning. You have a dark brown with like a creamy brown color, tan, all the shades, plus you have a really, really dark gray in there. So gorgeous. You get 5 of them. What do you have to do to win this yarn? All you have to do is, I even forgot, make sure, sorry. All you have to do is make sure that you guys are subscribed to my channel. And then you have to answer the following question. Let me give you a little bit of story here. Madonna is one of my favorite artists, if not my most favorite artist of all time, ever since the early 80s when she came out with Everybody. Even before that, when she came out with I'm burning up for your love. I love her. I've always loved her. You know, a lot of the female artists these days have, you know, she walked before everyone else could run, you guys. She was really a trailblazer. She really pushed the boundaries, and she really, really normalized a lot of things. And she is an undying, unwavering support for the LGBTQ plus community. She's always been an ally, and I have always looked up to her, always. So she announced a concert, her greatest hits concert, on this past Monday. Today, tickets went on sale, and I was actually able to get a ticket. They were like selling out so quick, I could not believe. But I was able to grab a ticket, and I'm so excited. The concert is not until October, but I am super excited. So here's the question to you guys, okay? Make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and answer the following question. What is your favorite Madonna song? She has so many hits, so many albums, so many songs. The entire Ray of Light album is beautiful. It's like, what is your favorite song from what year? Confessions is incredible. Borderline, Holiday, some of her earlier hits, Deeper and Deeper. Don't Cry for Me, Argentina, the disco version. I mean, you guys, there's just too many, really. Pick one, and yeah, let me know down below. If you don't like Madonna, just say, you know, you don't like Madonna, but oh my God, I'm so happy. Anyway, thank you guys so much for listening to me babble. Thank you so much for watching my videos, you guys, and just thank you so much for all of your support. You guys are really awesome, so thank you. Good luck, everyone, and we will talk to each other in the next video. Bye.